So guys, this is the last variation. If you counted right, we have one step, and so far, 3 variations, okay? And I'm gonna teach you the 4th one now. So this one is gonna be based on level. We're still in a dimensional concept where we're gonna play with level. Based on the same step, heel and toe, and we're gonna play with level, okay? Like I said, there's level here, you have level down here, okay? And you have level here as well. You have level when you're on the floor, you have different type of level. But what I want to do now is based on level up, and we're gonna come down here to this level. All right, you ready for it? Let's do this. So heel and toe, same thing. We're gonna start basic and then we're gonna get down. But we're also gonna base it on the repetition. It comes back again, right? But I can show you how to do the same move different way, okay, using the same element, right? So let's go. So we're gonna go heel and toe, heel, cross, heel, toe, out. Come back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, right? Let me do it again. I go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Now put the level in, and 1 and get down, and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and down and 4. Same thing on the other side. 1 cross, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? So the important thing is to start from here and go down to this level. Put your arms down on the floor if you want to help yourself, right? And then carry on doing the heel and toe, repeat, 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 okay? So you need to start close, open up, and then come back in again, all right? Let me show you one more time. So we go 1 and 2 and boom, boom, other side, and 1 and 2 and boom, 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 and, okay? So we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna start with the basic, and then I'm gonna start playing with level, okay? This is variation number 4. I know there's one missing from the dimensional concept, but don't worry, we're gonna do that one next time. I don't wanna give you too much information, so next time we're gonna do the speed, all right? I didn't forget about that, don't worry, all right? So let's go level with the music. I'll show you first, and then after that, it's your turn, all right? Let's go.